All right, let's get started. Today is Tuesday. The date is March 24th. And let's get started for today. All right, back to the future. That's going to be the theme of today's assignment. Also, if you're just wondering, today in New York City, it is going to be partially cloudy, a high of 57 degrees and a low of 39. But remember, you must stay indoors, 6 feet away from any individual. Let's stay safe. Let's stay healthy. All right. So to this assignment, you're going to be learning about the Big Bang Theory. And we're going to use this knowledge to try to help us understand the future and the future of our universe, right? So you'll see some links in here. Make sure you check out the song of the day, the Big Bang Theory song. Now, for today, the objectives are for you to describe the Big Bang Theory and the evidence for it, as well as compare and contrast the future of the universe according to the open and closed models of the universe. Now, this part down here, open and closed models of the universe. Now, there are some theories out there as to why or how our universe is composed. There's an open model, which means basically that there's a negative curvature, right? And then there's a closed model, basically stating that the universe has a positive curvature. That seems a little new to us, but as we go through the lesson, it's going to be more and more clear, all right? So for part one, you're going to be taking some video notes based on the following two videos. The first one, the beginning of everything, the Big Bang. And then the second one, is the universe really infinite? Open universe, closed universe, and flat universe explained. This second video is a little longer, so make sure you have the time to sit down and watch it in its entirety. It's very dense. There's some major theories in there. Get ready for your mind to explode. Okay. Now, moving on. For part two, this is the independent practice part of your lesson. You're gonna want to click this link. You're gonna open up that article, "Murmur of a Bang." The article is going to be really interesting. It's going to help us understand the past so that we can make inferences and try to create our own theories as to how the universe is going to end, right? It's really important that we understand our past so that we can understand the future, right? After you read this article, make sure, first, before I move on, make sure that you are following these guidelines. If your computers allow it, you want to make sure that you're annotating. After you have finished the article, you're going to come down here and you're going to create a CER. We've had practice with CERs in the past. This one's going to be based off of the reading "Murmur of a Bang," right? Remember, you want to state a clear and strong claim. It should be concise. It should be straight to the point. You should provide evidence. Evidence is going to come from this article, right? Really, really important that you gather good evidence. And then the reasoning is going to be how you link the evidence and the claim, right? You want to make sure to go into explanation. This one, the reasoning should be a little longer than than your claim, right? Because you're going into your thoughts and you're rationalizing your choices, okay? And then finally, for part three, you're going to click this link right here. You're going to open up the Google Forms, and then you're going to submit, and we are going to collect that. For today, just want to let you know that the CER, that's a little sloppy, the CER is going to be graded today. So make sure that you put forth a good effort and that you are reading and annotating that article up here, "Murmur of a Bang." Okay. As always, there's going to be office hours today. Make sure you look out for the link on Google Classroom. Good luck, stay safe, and enjoy this Back to the Future lesson. See you all tomorrow.